I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today, let's look at Clean Energy, Westport Innovations, and Penney. On Friday, Cramer was talking to the CEO of Clean Energy about, guess what? Clean energy, natural gas. He thinks that since President Obama now likes natural gas, I guess we're giving up on the sun, that this is a good place to be. And you can see, I mean, if you're getting in now, you're late to the party. That you could classify me as a latecomer because I'm not in. But look, we've got resistance here, and resistance here. Stock is above all of those. So this stock is really on a breakout. You look at the weekly chart and you can really see what's happening. It had been trending down for quite a while. Now we've got to move to the upside. So this is a breakout. So here's what you want to do. If you like this investment, you got to like the company. You got to think that natural gas is going to be a big player here in the future. Then go ahead and take some stock now. I know that seems kind of silly after a big run, but this is a stock that's anticipating big news ahead, big business ahead. So you may think you're getting in late, but you might actually be getting in early. So take some stock now, but be ready to buy more if the stock pulls back, say to 15 bucks, something like that. But I think this is a good time to at least start building a position and then buy on weakness. Next up is Westport Innovations. These guys make natural gas powered engines. So what's up with the stock? I guess Morgan Stanley or JP Morgan downgraded the stock. They thought it was too expensive. Maybe that was why the stock pulled back a little bit. But this thing's on a tear. It's in a really, really nice uptrend. A little overextended right now, but you can see it's coming out of a volatility squeeze, so it looks like there could be more upside. Here's the thing, though. It's kind of like I was saying with clean energy. You want to be trading with some type of control. We got double the volume here last week, and the stock, you know, big red bar, the first one in a while. That kind of matters. So what are we going to do? You see, again, 2 big selling days here. Bam, right there. So here's what I want you to do. If you want to take the stock, go ahead and take it on weakness, but just keep a stop, like literally right under last Thursday's intraday low. If the stock falls through that low, you know, it can drop another couple bucks. So you get stopped out and then you buy it back at a lower level. It's called lowering your cost basis without averaging down. And last but not least is Penney. Fast Money had an analyst on Friday. He thought there was more upside in the stock. The stock just recently broke through the 2011 high right here. But I can draw another trend line for you. It's maybe not, doesn't look quite so good. That would be here. I don't really rely too much on this type of stuff. I like the horizontal things because most traders rely on levels as opposed to lines. So here's the thing. We're going to get into the daily chart. You can see this thing has had a heck of a move. Typically, you know, you'll hear this all the time. Cramer will say this. Some of the traders on Fast Money will say it. After a big move like this, you want to wait 3 days before buying because you want to see if the stock's going to pull back. Here, stock didn't pull back, so I think it's okay to buy. Okay to buy it right now with a stop right underneath here. So if the stock starts filling this gap, I know it's not really a gap because apparently it traded all the way up here. But if the stock starts filling this gap, you won't be long. Instead, you'll wait for the stock to hit the 50-day moving average, which is where the best time to buy has been. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.